Hey guys, it's Edie, your video and YouTube strategist, and I wanted to pop in now that I'm doing these new updates for Loom and just talk a little bit about why you would want to use Loom and the ways in which you could use it so that you could sort of decide for yourself, do I need the starter plan or should I invest in this platform and upgrade to the now called business plan? And this is the way that I've used it. And I think that it certainly has benefited my business, and I think it could help you as well. I have probably said this a number of times that some people might remember. I don't like to have to write out long emails or anything. And so if I get a request from a client, they have asked me a question, they need to have an explanation of something. Instead of me responding to that email or that Facebook message or whatever it may be, with me sitting down and typing, I will easily whip out Loom and create a video. And the reason why I like doing that is I'm a show and tell type person. I like to show people and tell them what they need to do, because to me, combining those two elements allows you to remember it better. And it allows me to really remember and make sure that I'm looking at what you're looking at or what you would be looking at so that I can direct you exactly where it is that you need to go. But you can use it. You don't need to use Loom just to use it for the screen recording aspects, because it does have the capability of just filming you by yourself, in which instance you can easily just, record a response and then send it off. And the fact that it's so easy because it's a part of Gmail and can just easily be sent that way makes it truly a no-brainer. But some of the ways that you can do it is if you have a new client and that new client is coming into either it be a program or they're working with you one-on-one and there's a plan, a system to which you need to work and you guys have to communicate, you can send them a video using Loom that will quickly orient them to what they need to do and how they need to flow or go through the flow of your process. I use them for every single new client that I get for one of my services called remote video creation. And we use Trello boards in order to really plan out everything and to communicate. That's our communication tool, as well as it's our project management tool. And in the first probably list or two are videos that I know that they're going to need to refer to on a regular basis. So all of those are Loom videos that I created for them, and I house them there so that they can just click on it whenever they need to for a refresher or for whatever information it is that they can garner from that. If you are a teacher, for example, you can do not only orientation videos for your students that are just starting. This is what you can expect from the class. These are the dates that I expect to have assignments due, things of that nature. But you can also use it as a tool to communicate with the parent, explaining what your process is for teaching, explaining what the expectations are for both parent, student, and also obviously for the teacher. You can allow your students to use it in order for them to create presentations for class and then combine it with, because of the screen recording capabilities, whatever you have open on your screen, you can actually record. So you can do that with PowerPoint presentations. You can do it with Google Slides. You can do it with just, what I'm doing, which is just showing you a website or a web page behind the image of me down here on the corner. So you can use it for a wide variety of things, but I love it because it is a great video messaging tool. So if I need to create a video and use it on social media, you can do that with Loom. So there's really pretty much, there is not a way that you cannot use this tool. And because they keep upgrading and updating things now with the ability to upload videos to their platform, I think that they're getting into a realm where it's going to be really hard to resist using it. And like I've said before, I have no skin in the game. I'm not an owner. I don't own stock. I don't even think that they're a publicly traded company yet. And I'm not an affiliate, but it's just a tool that I really enjoy using. And I like letting my audience know of tools that I think are beneficial. So I just wanted to pop in really quickly and explain different ways that you can use it. And believe me, the ways that I've just described is not enough. There are ways that you can use it if you're in sales. I use it to update and do summaries of the calls that I have with some of my clients. And in particular, if it's going to be a client that needs to have some more visuals that will take them from, I don't know, to yes, I'm sold on it. So you can do it to close sales. You can do it to thank your clients if they've done something, whether it's because they've become a client, you can send them a thank you video as opposed to just sending an email. So literally almost anything that you can think of doing that you would typically do in text form, you can do with Loom. And it does not matter what area that you feature in, what your niche is. You can use this tool for literally any niche that you can think of. All right. So if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I want to hear your feedback. If you're not using Loom, I want to know why. Why do you think it's not worth your time? But if you are using Loom, post in the comments below how you're using it, because I've only touched or scratched the surface in terms of the ways that you can use Loom. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.